Stopping and stretching. This is Connecticut, and I've never been to Connecticut, so this is really exciting. We're stopping at Starbucks, and we were right here. We went all the way through here. Now we're in Connecticut right now. We still have a long ways to go though. Here's our Airbnb for the next couple nights. Okay guys, we just got to our Airbnb. I didn't really say what we're doing yet, but I'll explain that in a little bit. We're just gonna go check out the Airbnb right now.
I'm just wondering if we
Leave. Whoa, that's steep.
Okay.
Oh hey. Oh wow. Oh wow, there's snacks? Wow. Okay, let's do a house tour. So we walk to the right. Oh, there's the bathroom. Oh wow, look at this little living room. This is pretty cute though. It's a pretty cool. Where's this? Yeah, the cars are loud. That's what people said. It's not that nice. Just go to downstairs? Yeah. These houses.
Oh wow. Oh shit.
Sorry. A little office? Yeah, that's Google. That's Google. Oh, it's locked. But it's like. So freaking excited today because we are in Massachusetts, which I've never been to my entire life. I'm wearing Casey's 10 million subscriber shirt. It's super loud. We have an Airbnb and it's kind of on a busy street right now. Like there's like a busy street right there and there's another busy street right there. But yeah, anyways, I'm so excited. Welcome to this video. Basically, we've been planning this trip for a couple months now to go to Salem and experience what it's like to live out here and to see some of the crazy stuff that is here. We're about to leave in a little bit to go to a few places. I'm not gonna explain them now because I'm just gonna show them once we go there. We're gonna get something to eat, and then we actually have a night tour tonight in Salem, so I'm freaking excited. If you guys know anything about Salem, Hocus Pocus, the witch trials in 1692 and 3, and there's so much that historical things that happened in Salem, and it's unbelievable and crazy, and I'm so excited to share my experience in Salem with you guys. So yes, so I will record once we go and basically go to this next adventure, which I'll show you in a minute. So I've been reading this book. It's called The Storm of Witchcraft, and I read like only a couple chapters, but it's basically explains what happened during the Salem witch trials, and it goes in really good detail. Alrighty, so we're going to a place called Proctor's Ledge. It's basically a memorial site for the 19 people that got hanged at Gallows Hill. We just stepped out of Gulu Gulu Cafe. It was a pretty good place. Their menu's limited. Their coffee's pretty good. So yeah. So we're just walking around downtown Salem area. We're actually about to do a tour. It's a 90-minute tour of Salem. It's a walking tour and then a night tour. So very excited to learn a little bit about the history of Salem. So this is one of the filming locations of Hocus Pocus, which he'll probably say.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
Who remembers the movie Hocus Pocus? Wow. Get excited. You'll find your fully charged batteries drain all the way down to nothing in the blink of an eye. The legend,
freezes
this
every
little girl
time
got
I see a picture of it.
buried
That's scary.
alive. She was sick and she fell unconscious, but the family thought she was dead.
Good morning, everyone. It is the next day. I'm probably gonna make one video out of this, but I'm all bundled up because it is even colder today than it was last night. I think it's like in the 30s right now. But yeah, last night we just made some drinks and chilled out and didn't really do much. Slept over there on a blow-up mattress. It was okay, but today we have a whole bunch of stuff planned. I believe we're gonna go we're actually gonna get something to eat at this place called Mr. Crepe, and then we're gonna go to a museum and learn more about the witch trials and stuff like that, and then mainly just walk around Salem and explore. Alrighty, so we actually just went to this witch museum and got tickets. We're gonna go back at like 1:30, and then now we're gonna go check out the Hocus Pocus school that they filmed like some shots in. We're at this park, and I think it should be down here to the right. This is the school, I believe, in Hocus Pocus, where the witches were supposedly burned, but they came back. Right here.
It looks like it, but it looks small.
It does.
What is this place?
It reeks of children.
It is a prison for children.
We just got to this place called Jolie Tea Company, having some tea and some cookies. There's a store that sells like knockoff Harry Potter wands, and look at all these wands. It's really cool. There's so many. Yeah, and here's an invisibility cloak.
Really?
Yeah, well, yeah. I mean,
try them on. See if you can see me.
yeah, this is the book I read. That's so funny. We're at a bookstore right now. So this is the Ropes Mansion, built in 1727. also known as Allison's house from Hocus Pocus, which I'm sure if you've seen that movie, you definitely recognize this from a few scenes in the movie. Guess we're walking back.
Stayed on
But
property, so you have to be open.
that's true. But I don't know. It's crazy. I can't get over that we're here. I'm like, now we need to rewatch Hocus Pocus. You know? Oh, this is so cool. This is crazy. Like I was here. I don't know. Oh shit. Should get a free book at Allison's house. What is this? So one cool thing about Allison's house from Hocus Pocus is that there's a little free library thing, and then there's literally a visitor's log, like a sign-in sheet that people can come and literally sign their name and like say like, oh, I was here and stuff like that. So that's really cool. I'm just gonna, I mean, there's so many different pages. I'm just gonna like, whoa, shit.
Looks like the book
I'm just
from
gonna
Hocus.
like, yeah. Okay, there we go. That was a quick little. We were just walking. That's funny.
Yeah. Can you even breathe under there?
Ew. So now we're gonna visit Max's house from Hocus Pocus. We're just gonna go
4 buses
really quickly, drive by and take some pictures and stuff.
Is this like residential? On the left?
There.
No, but I mean all this.
I would hate to live here though, between all the tours, but it's still cool to like to go here and just see what it looks like. So my battery's dying, so unfortunately I can't really vlog that much. But yeah, that's amazing. We just stopped at this place called Life Alive. It's like a vegetarian place and it looks really cool.
Dang! What'd you guys
It
get?
looks amazing. I think I already mentioned that we're here. I got the green goddess.
Did you add anything to it?
Yeah. I added that. This looks amazing. This looks so good.
Thank you. I'm gonna do hummus.
Alright, we just ate at that place a little bit ago and that was probably the best food I've ever had in my entire life. It was amazing. And now we're stopping at this cidery. It's called Far From the Tree. It's right here in Salem. It's a cidery. If you know anything about me, one thing, I don't like beer, but I love cider, like more than anything. So I should really like this place, so I'm really excited to check it out.
Red.
Probably good, right?
The bather or whatever? That one? Yeah.
As like a
Look at that. We just stopped at another brewery. Well, actually the first place was a cidery. This is a brewery. And yeah, we just got a pretzel, got a beer, and yeah, it's called Notch right here in Salem as well. Pretty good. This is the last day in Salem, unfortunately. We have we just packed up all of the bags and packed up the car. So yeah, unfortunately we're leaving. It's really sad, but it seems like we just got here like 2 days ago, which we did, but yeah. Wow, that is really pretty. We're on this island right near Salem, or it's more of a peninsula. This guy's backing up, or maybe not. Maybe he's not, maybe he's just going in the middle. Wait, I'm so confused. Sorry it's super loud. Of course there's like construction going on everywhere. But so we're just gonna be walking around Boston. There's construction going on everywhere, but yeah, we're just walking around Boston right now. So we are at the Quincy Market here in Boston, just walking around, looking at some shops. Maybe I'll buy a couple things. We're gonna go get something to eat and then continue just to walk around and see more stuff. Yeah.
It's not that loud.
It seems very out of tune.
Yeah. No, I don't think it's that loud.
Yeah, it's probably better. Just picked up clam chowder. Wow, that looks amazing. We just got out of Italy. I just learned that there's like 25, 30 locations around the world. I didn't even know that. There's 2 in New York, 1 in LA. I had a glass of wine, white wine, it was really good. Had a panini, some free caramels. There's a Tesla dealership right here, which is probably my dream car, the Model X. The white one over there. I want it. This is the Boston Apple store. Damn. Oh, that was